everybody, and welcome. Today's video we are unboxing our Roseward Panty Power subscription unboxing. This is a monthly subscription for that unwanted guest. You know, when Aunt Flo shows up, really annoying. But don't worry, don't worry. If Aunt Flo no longer visits you, this box can be customized for you, whether you are pregnant, menopausal, premenopausal, whatever all those puzzles are. They can fix it for you, okay? So that's what today's video is all about. This is my favorite, really truly one of my favorite subscriptions because it always comes at the perfect time. So if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rakuten over here. We always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play in makeup, talk about our periods or not periods. We just have a good time over here. Little girl chat, fun times. Anyways, guys, all information about the RWPP box will be listed and linked down below for you guys. But let's just go ahead and jump on in. Okay, it's later in the day when I am filming this. I filmed like 2 or 3 other videos today, edited it, uploaded them, scheduled them like rock star. I'm super excited. And then this came in and I'm like, oh, we're getting her up. We're getting her up. Hopefully I can get this up to you guys on Thursday. So I have not opened the... Oh, okay, so Roseward Panty Power also has a boutique, and if you do not know, last month I actually tried on, it was a really adorable baby doll dress which ended up selling out in a size large fairly quickly, and this beautiful long leopard sweater which again ended up selling out really fast in a large. If you follow me on my Instagram, I literally just posted because I wore it out for date night. But she was so kind, she sent another outfit over. I had no idea she was sending this over. Okay, so this looks, oh my gosh. It is another adorable like baby style dress. I will definitely be trying this on and I'll insert a clip once I get it on for you guys. It looks exactly like the same similar style that she had with that other dress that was just my absolute favorite. You definitely need to make sure to check out the RWPP, not only the box, but their boutique as well. Super uber adorable, cute fashion over there, and again, it sells out really quickly because the products are so cute. Great quality, and I do have a coupon code. Is it Hotmess 30 maybe? I'll pop it up on the screen. I'll have it in the description box and I'll put it in the comment section for you guys. But it will save you money off your first box and your purchase at the boutique. Trust me, I love them. I am a plus size curvy girl, but her larges are always very generous in size, so just keep that in mind. And again, I'll pop up, whether it's already popped up or not, I'll pop up me wearing this dress. So, okay guys, so here is the try on portion. Now, I'm about a 38D, and so it's a little tight through here. I can button it, but there is like a little bit of like, ooh girl, gotta be careful. So I just paired it with like a really cozy like sports bra underneath, and I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys. Let me tilt this down. I went ahead and paired it with my like silver cowgirl boots because like why not? But this is so cute. There's actually pockets in this dress, and I can totally get away with it as long as I unbutton this one right here where my bust is a little too big. Super cute. Now there's no stretch to this, so it will get a little bit tight, but overall this is a large. And if you guys do follow me over on my second channel, I think this is a little, hold on, let me tighten this up. There we go. There we go. It was a little wobbly. So if you guys don't know my size, typically over at Torrid, I wear the jeans in a regular, but if they are a button up, what is that called? Button fly type of style jean, I do wear a 14 regular. So I'm typically a 12, 14 as far as that goes. So when I tell you guys her larges are generous in size, they definitely are. Plus with the fact that it is nice and flowy down through here. I love the fact, hold on, let me come in because I don't want to like lift my dress with you guys there, but I love this part right here. Can you guys see? The bottom part of the dress has that, oh, what is that called? Where it's not hemmed perfectly. It's got like that jagged edge. Super cute, and again, really cozy. Thank you so much for sending that. As we know, your girl loves pink. Do we see this? Do we see this? Y'all, if you could see right behind you is my Peloton with my workout mat, which is also pink. So, you know. Anyways, definitely make sure to check out the boutique. Again, super cute. And think about it, you know, with spring coming up, this would be perfect because it's not like a uber heavy type of material. It's kind of like a thin, lightweight, almost like a linen material. How cute would that look with a denim jacket over top? Right? I know. So cute, so cozy, and it has pockets. Who doesn't love pockets? You know what I mean? So, anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the subscription. This is the one that I love to see every single month because again, it comes at the perfect time. We'll just put it like that. So you always get a little card in here. This is the March box, and the nice thing about this is inside the card it gives you all the information and it's checked of what you have received. Now there are different variations that you may see, and you do get a questionnaire when you sign up for this box. Again, letting them know everything from if you are receiving your monthly period, if you are menopause, or if you are pregnant. All of that can be coordinated specifically for you and your needs. If you are receiving your period or you still get your period, they do have organic products. So if you want all tampons, you're going to receive all organic tampons. If you want pads, again, all organic pads. So it is definitely customized to you. You will receive 15 of the 100% organic, 15 items, and they are all 100% organic period products, or you can receive none. Again, whatever stage of life you are in, this will work for you, I promise. You will receive 2 pairs of undies, and the underwear is valued from $8 to $25, and they do have sizes from small up to 3XL. And again, when you take that questionnaire, you put all of that in there. It is very customized to you. You will receive 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts that are listed below. And again, make sure to check out her boutique. She has on here that you can always put non-period supplies or menopause boxes also available, so if you have become pregnant, whatnot. And anyways, let's just go ahead and jump in. Oh my gosh, the tissue paper is always cute. And can I just say, customer service is also top-notch, amazing. And this is what it looks like. I mean, seriously, I don't know about you guys, but like literally 5 to 7 days prior to, watch out, don't come near me. I am not a friendly person. Like, my husband's always sitting here and he says, you know, you really got people fooled over there on your on the YouTube channel, like, oh, have a beautiful and blessed day. And then 5 to 7 days prior, I'm like, don't talk to me, you know what I mean? Like, that's just where I'm at right around that time. So I need all the goodies, all the snacks there is. Matter of fact, we had gone to Menards over the weekend. Here he is buying like all like ooh, manly stuff, and here's me. I'm gonna need I go to the candy section and I get the pecan clusters. I get the banana. I mean, I like to think that that was semi-healthy, but the banana chips. I got sesame sticks. I got sweet, salty, savory, fruity. I got it all. That's where I'm at 5 to 7 days prior. Don't come near me. After, I become a little saint again, but until then, Lord help you. So you always do get snacks in here, and again, it is salty, savory, fruity. Like, you get all of it in here, and and it makes me very, very happy. Like, you have no idea how happy this box makes your girl. So we've got some snacks in here. I'm gonna jump right into the panties because the panties are always so adorable. You're gonna get them in this cute little satchel. Is that what it's called? It's called a satchel, right? I don't know. Anyways, the first pair is, I love when we get these. This is like the seamless type of panty. It has a good stretch there. And again, it is customized for your size. They are brand new. You can see the little taggy doohickeys on there. And the brands will always vary. And again, it's anywhere from $8 to $25. And then the next pair, oh my gosh, this is so cute, so me. I love the color, and look how cute these are, guys. Sorry, it has a sticker on here that I was so profesh. Isn't that precious? I am a material person, so I love feely good, soft materials. I'm the type of girl that I never want to be sucked in. If you guys follow me on my second channel, Hotmess Mom Vlogs, I talk about it all the time. Like, sometimes, Queen of Tangent here we go, I'm feeling rather chatty today, but I am notorious for talking about when I'm doing my try on hauls. Like, I'm not like another channel. I'm not going to put Spanx on for you guys, okay? So if I put this dress on and you see ripples and whatever, like, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit, because you know what? If I go out in this outfit, I will not be wearing those Spanx. I am not about that bust a can of biscuit life. I want to be cute, but yet cozy. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? So, anywho, my panties, no different. I'm gonna need cute, I'm gonna need cozy, and I love material like this. This is perfect. Moving on again, I like a mixture, so I've got the tampons. They do come in regular and super, and then we have our pads. And then we do have our, what I call, little business wipes for our business region. So that also does come in here. Next, I do see actually, ooh, this is from Illuminati Cosmetics, and it is like an eyeshadow palette quad. I don't think I have this. I don't have this one. This is pretty. So this is called the Eclipse palette. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Like a perfect, like, sultry, you could do a sultry eye, everyday eye. Ooh, very pretty, very, very pretty. I have to say, I love Illuminati Cosmetics, their shimmers. Well, that's a good swatch of that matte. But this is a really pretty palette. I feel like this is gonna be a palette that works for a lot of people. Did I? Oh, I did swatch that one. It's the end of the day, guys. What can I say? So next I see, this is, what is this? A Sham Bar Hydrate Manuka Honey and Mango Butter 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioning Bar. Well, this is interesting. There's not much of a scent. Is this what it's a shampoo bar, Rhonda? Did you guys see the light bulb moment? Did you see it go off? It, like, last minute, all of a sudden, boom, there it was. That's interesting. I'm curious about this one because I've tried a different brand before and it didn't work out for me, only because I think because I have bleached hair. I think that has a lot to do with it. So, but I'm not, you know, it's definitely interesting. I like how the size of it, if anything, it'll just go to my husband or my son. The Illuminati Cosmetics Quad Eyeshadow does have a retail value of $21. The Sham Bar Shampoo Bar Soothe, Hydrate, and Awaken does have a retail value of $15. And then I do see in here, we've got the Zion Health Instant Ageless, Instant Youthful Appearance Day Cream Anti-Aging with Minerals. Now, I know that they have, what have I used before? They've got a clay mask, absolutely love. I think I got it in this box before. They have deodorants that my 15-year-old loves. It's like a pair. Their deodorants are really good. They have really great products. So this is, again, Instant Firming Day Cream. And this, I believe, is like one of those all-natural type of products. I want to say they don't have bad things in here. It does have feature ingredients, ionic minerals, vitamin C. It's hypoallergenic, active peptides, and fragrance-free. So very, very nice. And it does have a retail value of $39.99. So a little information about if you are interested in picking up the RWPP box. The box is $37.50, and that is with free priority shipping to all 50 states and US territories. And on top of that, you do get to customize. So again, you're going to be taking a quiz and letting her know what you're looking for in your box, whether or not you're and don't worry, if you're getting your period now and you do become pregnant, you can just go right in there and let them know, and they can, you know, work it accordingly for you. A retail value of the box, each monthly box will have a retail value of at least $65 or more, and you are definitely getting your money's worth, in my opinion, because you're always going to get the organic products. You're always going to be getting very nice panties, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm just not that type that likes to go into like Victoria's Secret, or even, I don't even know what other places sell panties. I mean, I shop at Torrid, but I like to just buy my panties online. And I love that you let them know what panties are you looking for. Are you wanting, you know, cozy britches, or are you wanting sexy britches? You can put that in there. You can let them know. So let me know you guys' thoughts on the RWPP box. Again, this is one of my favorite subscriptions to unbox, because it truly is a gift to yourself. It's great if you do have a teen that is just coming into all of this. This is a perfect gift, because again, you can customize it for your teen. I'll be honest with you, my girls do ransack this box as well when they see it sitting here. Yeah, so there's that. So it's definitely teenager approved, and I've got 15 and I got almost 21-year-old. Both approve this. So again, I think it's always a fun gift to give to your daughter, to a sister, to your aunt, to your friend. Again, if your mom is in menopause or what have you, this can be customized to her as well. So it definitely works for everybody. Again, I'll pop up my coupon code for you guys so you guys can save money off your first box and the boutique. I'm telling you, I'm gonna just pop a screen over here for you guys, showing you guys all the different options she has. I mean, she's got everything from tops to sweaters to dresses. I even want to say there's like really cute jackets in there as well. So there's a little something for everybody, and who doesn't want to support a small business, a woman-owned business? Like, yes please. So anyways, thank you again to RWPP for sending this box my way. I love my Rose War Panty Power box. I mean, it may not be the best time of the month, but this definitely helps me through the week. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're interested in signing up, check my link down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's a way for you guys to save some money, and of course I want to help her out and help her to grow her business. So anyways guys, don't forget to follow me over on my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, where I do a ton of plus size curvy girl fashion hauls, as well as check me out over on Instagram at hotmessmama4. I'm also going to pop up a QR code in case you are not on your phone and you are watching, say, on an iPad or TV or something. You can just put the camera of your phone over the QR code and it will take you right over to my Instagram. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could give me a follow over there. I'm still trying to get that 10K swipey uppy. I will be there. I will be there eventually. I think we're like 640 away from that 10K. I know, I'm crazy. So anyways, I gotta hop off, I gotta cook dinner. But anyways, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.